In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Microsoft PowerPoint banner slider, 2025. Step by step. We'll start from a blank presentation and build a clean, professional banner slider you can use for websites, events, or social media. Open PowerPoint and choose a blank presentation so nothing gets in your way. Head to the Design tab, click Slide Size, then select Custom Slide Size from the presets. Choose Banner. This sets a long, narrow canvas perfect for headers. Click OK, and when prompted, choose Ensure Fit, so any content scales safely to the new dimensions. Now let's create your first banner. We'll add a background image to set the mood. Go to Insert, choose Pictures, and pick Stock Images if you want a high-quality option right inside PowerPoint. Select an image that supports your message without overwhelming your text. Once it's on the slide, resize and position it so it fills the entire banner area, edge to edge. If needed, adjust the crop and alignment to avoid stretching and keep the subject centered. Next, add your message. Go to Insert, click Text Box, and type your banner title or slogan. Use a large readable font with strong contrast against the background. Aim for one concise line or 2 lines at most, and leave plenty of breathing room. Keep it clean and professional by sticking to 1 or 2 fonts and aligning elements consistently. If your image is busy, consider using a subtle shape behind the text with a slight transparency to improve legibility. Enhance the look with simple design elements. Shapes, lines, icons, or a small logo can add structure and polish. Keep it balanced. A little accent goes a long way in a narrow banner. To build the slider, create additional banners as new slides. Go to the Home tab, click New Slide, and choose Blank. Replace the text or the background image for banner number 2, keeping your style consistent. Repeat this process for banner 3, 4, and beyond until you have a full sequence that tells your story or showcases multiple offers. For a smooth viewing experience, add gentle slide transitions. Open the Transitions tab, pick a subtle option like Fade, and adjust the duration for a refined pace. Apply to all if you want the same feel across the sequence. When you're done, save the banners as images. Use Save As or Export, choose PNG or JPEG, and select all slides, so each banner becomes its own file. You now have a polished PowerPoint banner slider ready to use anywhere,